In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Beats Flex with your iPhone. This also works with iPad. So let's get started. First of all, we need to put the Beats Flex into pairing mode. So what you need to do is to press on the power button, and the power button is located not on this small plastic casing where it says Beats, on the other one. You see the small button. So keep press this button during a second until the light over here light up. Then you can remove your finger. Let me do it with you. I'm pressing the button, the light comes in, and I can remove my finger, and automatically you should see on your iPhone over here Beats Flex, and you need to click on connect and you'll be done. You'll then be able to use them to listen music and take your phone calls. But what if you do not see this appearing? Don't worry. What you need to do is do the same thing over here, power them on, and the light over here should be flashing. Next step, we need to go into the Bluetooth settings of your iPhone. So drag down from the top right corner. Then you're gonna see the Bluetooth icon. Keep press on it. Then keep press on it again over here. Tap Bluetooth settings. And right now, these are all the devices that are connected. And if we go down below, you're gonna see other devices. And this is where you should see Beats Flex. So tap on this, wait a few seconds, and they will be connected. You'll get this message on the top, Beats Flex connected. And if we go in this list, right on the top, we should see them. If you click on the eye icon beside Beats Flex, you'll see a few things. You can change the name of your Beats Flex. Let's say you want a customized name. You can go ahead, tap this and type a new name. The most important one is this one, show in Find Mine. This way, if you lose them or if you think somebody stole them, you'll be able to track them on a map. And if you want to unpair them, well, you just have to go back in the same Bluetooth settings where we were before. Tap the eye icon, same place, go down and select forget this device. If you select disconnect, it will simply disconnect them, but next time you power them on, they will reconnect. So this is not what you want necessarily. So by saying forget this device, they will never connect back again unless you start this pairing process again. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check the Amazon affiliate links in the description down below. This is supporting my channel. Comment, and I'll see you in the next video.